So here's my thoughts on the Victory Garden seed package. The one that comes with the zucchini, lettuce, beets, and carrots, and then the red cherry tomatoes. Really quite worth its value. You get these incredible plants here, just so good. The red cherry tomatoes are incredibly vigorous. They grew after being eaten by deer. They came back, they're putting on all sorts of tomatoes. The lettuce was up really quick. It's been really hot lately, and they're still doing really well. It's not bitter lettuce, but they are going to seed now, so I get to keep my own seed from those. The beets, even though they're planted really close together, they're still putting out a lot of beets, and you can get the greens off the ones that you thin out. Carrots, they're doing really good. They're strong, and they all seem really bug resistant and drought tolerant. So I've been very impressed from beginning to end with all of these products. So I'm here at the garden where I planted the Victory tomatoes, and you can see them behind me. So let's take a look. Time to check on some of these red cherry tomatoes. Beautiful. Look at that. These are just putting them on and on. Get those so they can ripen. Look at all these. Here we go. So check this out. This is 1 day's harvest. And I have just that many that I'll be able to pick in 2 more days. Just beautiful, delicious, firm. You can see they're as big as a quarter. Some of them a little bigger. Just fantastic tomatoes.